Good morning, students. What do you see in this picture? Okay, the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was one of the greatest leaders of the world. We called him as the father of our nation. He led many freedom movements against the British rule in India and brought freedom for us. He was born on 2nd October 1869, was died on 30th January 1948. He was not only the greatest political leader but also a great writer. His famous book is my experiments with truth. Now see in this picture his book, the story of my experiment of with truth. This is the autobiography of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, this book is autobiography of Gandhi. It means his life history was written by himself. This book was written by himself. If the story of a person's life is written by somebody else or other person, is called biography. Today, we have to learn the prose piece. At the high school, you see, at the high school, this topic is extracted from the book My Experiments with Truth. In this topic, he mentioned his school life, how he has experienced his school life is mentioned in this topic. You know, my dear students, though the teacher is not permitted to read the prose piece loudly, still then I am going to read the paragraphs of this topic because it can improve your pronunciation of the words and the phrases. There are 7 paragraphs. There are 7 paragraphs in this topic. Okay. Out of 7 paragraphs, we have to learn today 2 paragraphs. Okay. You see, you listen first and give attention to my pronunciation of the words and also try to understand. Let's start. Read the text. First, I'm reading loudly. Though it's not forbidden, I was not regarded as a fool at the high school. I always enjoyed the affection of my teachers. Certificates of progress and character used to be sent to the parents every year. I never had a bad certificate. In fact, I even won prizes after I passed out the second standard. In the 5th and 6th, I obtained scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 respectively, an achievement for which I have to thank good luck more than my merit. My own recollection is that I didn't have any high regard for my ability. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarships, but I very jealously guarded my character. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes. When I merited or seemed to the teacher to merit or rebuke, it was unbearable for me. I remember having once received a corporal punishment. I didn't so much mind the punishment as the fact that it was considered my desert. I wept piteously. That was when I was on the first or second standard. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the seventh standard. Turabsi Tulsi Singh was the headmaster then. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method, and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloneness, which I now see wrong. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today, I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. Okay. Now, my dear students, I am giving you 5 minutes so that you can read the 2 paragraphs silently. Let's start. You read the paragraphs, 2 paragraphs silently, and any keyword, important word that you can go through the glossary words. These are the notes and the glossary. You can find the keywords, important words. Let's start. Now you see the paragraph 1, and I am asking you some objective questions. You can answer in one word or in one phrase. If you face any difficulty, the answer you can find in the paragraph. Let's start. What does I refer to here? Okay, M.K. Gandhi or Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the writer of this topic, was not regarded as a fool at the high school. Was not regarded as fool at the high school. The answer you can find in the first paragraph. Okay, Gandhi was not regarded as fool at the high school. Only you can write only Gandhi. You can also answer Gandhi, not in full sentence. What is the opposite word of intelligent? You can find the answer in the paragraph. Opposite word of intelligent. You can find the answer in the first line of the first paragraph. Okay, fool. Fool is the opposite word for intelligent. Gandhi always enjoyed the affection of his dad. Affection of his dad. Okay. The teachers. Affection of teachers. His teachers. Here, my teachers? The answer will be his teachers. What sorts of certificates were sent to Gandhi's parents every year? What sorts of certificates were sent. Okay, certificates of progress and character. You can also say progressive report and character certificates. Next, question 6. Next question. Did he have any bad certificates? No, he had never a bad certificate. Only you can answer no. Okay. Now come to question 7. When did he win prizes? Okay, he won prizes when he passed out the second standard. Okay, the second standard. Okay, which standard did he get scholarships in? Which standards did he get scholarships in? Okay, in 5th and 6th standard. 5th and 6th standard. Okay. What was the amount of scholarship did you obtain in the 5th standard? Rupees 4 rupees. What was the amount did he receive when he was in the 6th standard? What is the amount of scholarship? Okay, 10 rupees. 10 rupees when he was in 6th standard, he got scholarship. Only you can say only you can say 10 rupees. Who did he thank more for his scholarships? Himself or his good luck? Okay. Yes, good luck. Okay. What is the noun form of the word verb achievement? You can find the answer in the first paragraph. Noun form of the verb achieve. Yes, achievement. Ament can be added. Achievement. Okay. Now come to the second paragraph. The second paragraph, I'm asking you some objective questions. Answer you can find in this paragraph. What was the reaction of Gandhi whenever he won prizes and scholarship? What was the reaction? Yes, he was astonished, surprised. Why was he surprised? Why was he astonished? Because he had no high regard for his ability. Didn't have any high regard for his ability. What was he very much careful about? What was he very much careful about? Okay, about his character. Yes, you are correct. Character. Can you find the adverb form of the word jealous? Jealous. Jealous is an adjective. Can you find the adverb form of jealous? You search. You can find that word in the third line of the second paragraph. If you face any difficulty, I am giving the clue. Very good. Jealously. Jealously is the adverb of jealous. Okay. Being afraid of losing something, that means. How did he react when he was blamed? When he was blamed, what was Gandhi's reaction at that time? Tears, very good. Tears drew from his eyes. Okay, tears drew tears from his eyes. Tears drew from his eyes. Okay, next question. What is the noun form of the word recollect? Can you find? In the second paragraph, you can find noun form of the word recollect. Or in other way, I'm asking, what is the single word of what is remember? What is remember? You can write or you can answer in one word. What is that word? It is the noun form of recollect. Very good. Recollection. Recollection. Okay. Now, what is the opposite word of wearable in this paragraph? Wearable. You can find the negative prefix on, in, this, in, anyone from the negative prefix is added with wearable. Can you find? Yes, very good. On wearable. Very good. Now come to next question. Gandhi remembered having once received a dash punishment. Dash punishment. You feel what is the correct word that you can feel the sentence? Gandhi remembered having once received dash punishment. I am giving you clue, hint. I am giving you clue or hint. It is this word is similar to physical. Physical. Okay, very good. Corporal punishment. Corporal punishment means a physical punishment. Who was Gandhi's headmaster then? Dhurabji Idulji Simi. Dhurabji Idulji Simi was Gandhi's headmaster. What was he like? What type of person he was? Disciplinarian and a man of method. Discipline. Discipline is a noun. Disciplinarian is an adjective. Disciplinarian person. Disciplinarian. And he was a discipline and a man of method. You can only write discipline and a man of a method. What did he make compulsory for the boys? Oh, he made compulsory what? Gymnastics and cricket. You can write gymnastics and cricket. Did Gandhi like both? No, Gandhi didn't like both. What is the opposite word of like or liked? Disliked. This is negative. Disliked. Gandhi disliked both means didn't like gymnastics or cricket. Okay. Did Gandhi like both? No, he disliked. What was Gandhi's false notion or idea? Notion means idea. What was his false notion, false idea? Okay, about gymnastics. You can find towards the end of the second stanza. Very good. Gymnastics are nothing to do with education. He had his false idea. Later, he thought it was very necessary for our education. Okay. Next, this is all about paragraph 1 and 2